Hello my beautiful angels, welcome back to Nails by LJOLUSESI. So as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be doing a nail sugar haul. I placed an order sometime last week and I received it this morning. So I thought I would do, what you call it, an unboxing, unenveloping. I haven't looked inside yet. Let's move these. Oh, so I've got some applicators, which is nice. Okay, so I wrote down prices and stuff. So the Fairy Flakes, £2.95. I've never ordered from Nail Sugar before, so I wanted to. Ooh. Yeah, I wanted to test out the glitters. I love these pigments so much. I got sent some from, I believe, Wendy, and I've got the tiniest amount left. Okay, then we have, how much is that? Angel Dust, where are you? £2.45. I don't know if you're going to see from the lid. Beautiful. Then Vixen Colour Shift, £1.85. It's very beautiful. Don't know if you're going to see from the lid. Probably not. Then, oh, this doesn't have a name. This is Rainy Day, £1.65. Now I wanted these because it has raindrops and clouds. Remove these so you can see. Oh shit, I'm losing them already. It's sticking to me. See the raindrops, it's an iridescent. It's like a blue and goes into a gold. And then the clouds. Very beautiful. Gorgeous. Right, now on to the glitter. Of course I bought glitter. Move my tissue. Oh, I got a freebie. How cute. Don't know the name. Just says freebie. I'm sure it's not called freebie. It's a purple. It's got cerise pink in there and silver. Very cute. Right, Marshmallow Sparkle, £1.45. Gorgeous. I love. Then I got lime lollipop. I think this is the Candyland collection. Yeah, this is the Candyland collection, which is 6. Yeah, 6 glitters for £10.95. So yeah, Candyland collection. So this is lime lollipop. That's really pretty. I like. Then I've got lemon drop. Beautiful. Periwinkle twinkle. What a name. I love that. That's really pretty. And I got snow globe. Beautiful. Candy floss. Gorgeous. And then lastly, blueberry bonbon. Very nice. Right, and then on to this last one. These are the ones I obviously picked out myself. So we have lavender lights. Shit in hell. Not good. Sorry about that. So lavender lights, £1.35. That's really pretty. I like that. Move them up. We stick you there. Then mulberry crush. Mulberry crush, £1.45. This is holographic. Oh, that's so pretty. Yeah, and then it's got some larger hexagons and small ones. I love this colour. So pretty. Cherry cola, £1.65. So that's again a holographic, but it's more purpley. Oh, that's so pretty. I love that. Then I got ultraviolet. £1.35. That's really nice. That's a fine. Yeah. Beautiful. Then I have burlesque. Burlesque, £1.45. Oh, I love that. That's really pretty. Oops. Then I got Urban Print. Shit, what's wrong with me? Urban Princess, £1.65. It's got some holographic hexagons. That's beautiful. And then I got crushed opal. Crushed opal was £1.65. It's really pretty. Oh, I love them. And then lastly we have Marshmallow Sparkle, which was £1.45. So pretty. Let's see it against the marshmallow. Got 2 marshmallow. Okay, maybe one was in the Candyland collection. Okay, I thought they looked similar. Well, they're the same. So that is it for my haul. I don't need any more glitters, do you know that? But I just can't help myself. It's like my drug. I need a glitter fix by the looks of things, isn't it? I just can't help myself. It's so bad, but oh, I don't know. Anyway, I will leave you. Oh, also, you know, the shipping is £3.95, just in case you wanted to know that. So that is it for today's video. Thank you all so much for watching. I want to say a big thank you to everyone who subscribed, my oldies and my new subscribers. Thank you for all your love and support, and you honestly don't know how much it means to me. I love you all so much. Anyway, I'm going. Take really good care of yourselves, and you will see me in my next video. Bye bye.